All coming. Smile.
Hi everybody, I'm so happy because I've arrived in London and it's only 32 degrees, whereas in Paris is 39 degrees. I'm at St Pancras, to be more precise, at Marks and Spencer's Foods. And what did I find today? Something new. Limited edition strawberry and cream sandwich. Now, we've all heard of strawberries and cream, scones, but in Japan they like to have their cream and fruit sandwiches, and Marks and Spencer's has decided to do the same thing. Delicious. Strawberries are fresh. Very nice.